Hi everybody. I just wanted to show you really quick how I'm surviving the apple cider vinegar. This was a recipe from Thomas Delauer. I'm taking my trusty apple cider vinegar. I go ahead and put a little shot in there. And I am using cayenne pepper. Yes, cayenne pepper. It really takes the bite out of the apple cider vinegar. I don't know why, but it works. And then I'm doing a little lime. And as you know, if you've seen my channel, way back when, I'm like, I hated it. But it really works. Now I do a little bit of ice. I do 2 ice because I want it cold. This is how I'm doing it. I like it really cold, and I like a tiny splash of water in there to help. And then I just swish it around like this. And then I take those ice cubes out because I'm still doing it like a shot. I take that out and then bottoms up. Much better. I can drink it. I'm not gagging. I'm not grabbing my chaser. All right, maybe I'll grab it a little bit, but much better so I can get that apple cider vinegar down, which I do feel really is helping my gut health. So just a little trick. I just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.